Hey everybody, it's Nate. I've been gone for a while. I've been in the Army for a lot longer than I expected. I gained some weight. I'm not proud of that, but I've been in the Army for 3 months, so it's bound to happen at some point. But I decided that instead of putting this phase, what I'm doing right now, as part of the last phase, I'm just gonna start fresh. Because the truth is that I didn't go all the way back to 300. I gained a couple pounds. And I enjoyed my time in the Army. Well, if you could call it enjoying. And then, I'm back. So this is phase 2. So welcome to From 308 to Nate, part 2. Today's day 1. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to showing off the results.